Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when one earbud isn't working on your earbuds Sony. And the first one is to perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, put your earbuds to the charging case. Now you can close the case or not close it. The most important that now these earbuds are disconnected from the phone, and I can prove it to you. If we go to the settings or Bluetooth, you can see that there is no connection, so we disconnected it. If you have Android, it will move from My Devices to Save Devices. After that, you just remove it from the charging case and it automatically reconnects to your phone, and we'll see that we have connection. Here we go. Now, if it didn't help you, we should perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, also put your earbuds to the charging case, but do not close the case. Open the lid. Right here we have touch areas, and you need to press and hold at the both of these touch areas for at least 10 seconds until this LED light just turn off. Now we're holding it and it should start flashing. Here we go, yeah, we keep holding it. Cool. Now you can release your fingers, and after that just remove your earbuds from the charging case, and these earbuds reconnect to your phone automatically. As you can see, we have connection. So we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!